I'm losing my mind. Hey besties, it is Sunday, and this is honestly when my weekend kind of begins. My fiance tends to work on Saturdays a lot of the time, and when he does, they give him a day off during the week, and they give him Monday off. So a lot of the time, my weekends are actually Sundays and Mondays. So I'm gonna take you along for a normal weekend with us. When he got out of work yesterday, I worked. I literally had to finish working on a video, so I worked. That's what I did. And then I went and I visited a family member, and then I came home and I worked. This is going to be the actual fun part.
Kick it with that new girl, eating my Chipotle. Yeah, we getting married, I don't care what all them hoes say. Rap Zac Efron, all we do is role play. Screaming Dios mio, yeah, that must be cause I'm Olay. All that in a bag of chips, pass the guacamole. We just getting started, babe, imagine what I don't say. Every conversation's just a chance for me to outwit. Do you feel that little spark? Outlet, out shit. So I don't need the press, I don't want an interview. I'm trying to lay you down, you just trying to with a spoon. Take you somewhere private so that I can get an interview with a vampire, that's true blood up in the room. So have you heard the gossip, girl? I've been doing this since a Mickey Ryan Gosling, girl. Yeah, I read a text that you awake, come find me. She said the party here is getting Blake lively.
I don't know, but I've been told the world outside is oh so cold.
So cold. Roger Ebert, shouts to Emma Roberts. I think that you a cutie, but I'd rather have you on first.
The next morning.
So my vacuum hasn't been suctioning when it's on its normal floor mode, and I finally pulled up the owner's manual, and I found out that for all 3 years that we've been living here, we haven't had a belt on this. This isn't just it being dirty, there's supposed to be a belt there. It'll work when we connect like the hose and use it for hose suction, but not when we use it as like a normal vacuum. There's literally no belt on here. And there is a no belt setting that it could work. But we thought the belt was on here, so we've been using it on belt setting with no belt, which is why my vacuum hasn't worked. Now I disassembled it. I found the belt. I know how to put the belt on, but I don't know how to reassemble it. This is not fun. This is the first thing that I'm doing on my Monday morning. My fiance is sweeping. I'm losing my mind. This end says large cap, and this end says small cap, and I don't know if it's supposed to have a large cap and a small cap. This doesn't say what side each one goes on. Is it supposed to be 2 large caps? Is it supposed to be 2 small caps? I don't know what's happening. The manual's not telling me.
Now, well, hey, I wrote this song for an actress. Yeah, I wrote this song for an actress.
I don't know, but I've been told the world outside is oh so cold.
So cold.
It does in fact literally say part 5 of changing the belt says one of the plastic brush roll ends is larger than the other. It does say it, and I just completely missed that sentence.
Yeah, I wrote the song for an actress. Hey, I wrote the song.
Oh yeah, something's definitely broken right there. Maybe it's not broken, he figured out how to fix it. I'm just really dumb and I had to have a man show me how to fix it. But it's working now, hopefully. It went into place, we don't need to buy a replacement part. I'm concerned that the belt might be the wrong size because it's so huge on there. Like it's not snug whatsoever. So I'm very concerned the belt is the wrong size, but any belt's better than no belt, I guess. Looks like it's slightly different heights. It might just be because the floor is angled, but.
Well, you said it sounded like.
At first I said it looked like it was off, but it still looks like it's crooked, but I think that's because the floor is uneven. But my face is also slightly crooked. Like I've looked at some of my thumbnails and I've literally asked Casey, does it look like I had a stroke? Because my face droops on one side sometimes. So it could have to do with that.
Many hours later.
So we worked on wedding stuff for a few hours. Now I'm hungry. So I think we're gonna make lunch now. I was complaining for the last probably 2 days that I wanted a Diet Coke because like I pretty much quit soda a while ago, but I recently started drinking soda a little bit more again because I've been cutting back on alcohol. So like If we go out with our friends, I'll get soda instead of alcohol. But I've been really wanting a Diet Coke the last few days, and I've been really irked that I didn't have one. And then I just went into my drink cabinet to see what flavors of seltzer I have, and you know what I found? Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar. So I'm excited. That was potentially some of the best news I could have gotten today. That I can just have a soda. So I got this sign, and I need to find a way to get it to hang outside of the door to my studio / office. So I made a Home Depot trip. We got them to just cut us a chain. I think it was like 72 cents a foot, and we got 2 feet. And then we got some little hooks. So fingers crossed that this works, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna cry.
White girl problems, met her back in autumn. Every gift I try to get her, she already got them. Messing with the TA, wonder what she taught him. Work her way down, literally to the bottom. Where are all my best friends? How can I ignore them? Never gonna text them, I am too important. Look at what my dad bought, yeah, it was imported. He took a second loan, cause our family can't afford it. Nice guy, bound to finish last if it's a sport. Call her CeeLo cause she crazy and her arms are kinda short. Got a traffic ticket once, but she didn't go to court. And she interrupts my sessions every time that I record. So I tell her I got so much shit up on my plate, it's a buffet. Now we out in Paris and these women look like Muzzy. Superficial, she just needed combs like Buffet. You don't need to go, but I think you need to trust me.
Come take a drink with me, forget all you know. You pay tuition, I'll just live on the floor. I think you fly, but your friends ugly for sure. Well, come take a drink with me, forget doing blow.
White girl problem, met her at a concert. Think it was Tiesto, already forgot it. Who am I to blame her? She was so obnoxious. Got a little taste of your lips, it was toxic. We should keep in contact. Okay, that is nonsense. Sure, I'll take your email, tell me where to jot it. Got a pen and pencil on me at all times, cause I rhyme now. I'm kinda feeling genius that I brought it. Switch up, not black eyed peas, but I wish I was richer. Finally graduated, she majored in being mixed up. Recognize you from TV, yo, can we please take a picture? I call you Mary Kate, cause I can really tell the difference, it beats me. Addicted to pills and the Vici. The hills used to be cool, what happened to LC? Parents moving to Florida, so who's left to help me? I can't, but I'll write about you on my LP.
Come take a drink with me, forget all you know. You pay tuition, I'll just live on the floor. I think you fly, but your friends ugly for sure. Well, come take a drink with me, forget doing blow.
White girl problems all over the world. What we gonna do with these girls? Yeah, here's some famous people that have them. Taylor Swift got white girl problems. Mandy Moore got white girl problems.
I don't know, but I've been told the world outside is oh so cold.
So cold.